To remove the GPU, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. Remove the fan and the heatsink. Detach the 4 Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the GPU to the motherboard shielding. Tip up the edge of the GPU and pull it out of its motherboard socket. The GPU board has a notch on its edge that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the GPU, insert the board into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle, aligning the notch over its socket key. Press down the edge of the GPU board. Secure the GPU to the motherboard shielding with its 4 Phillips No. 2 screws.